Hi first graders, happy Wednesday! I'm going to be walking you through the math papers for today at the end of this video. Just a reminder, when I walk you through the math papers, feel free to pause after I read questions. Or you could always go back later and rewatch that part of the video when you're ready to work on your math. Totally up to you, but I'm just adding that at the end as a way to help you. So use it however you need to. Let's move on to our note for this morning. Dear first graders, today is Wednesday. Happy Earth Day! In addition to your usual matrix activities, I hope you can find some time in your day to do the extra Earth Day activities I've posted on Seesaw. There's a story and an alphabetizing activity. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Love, Mrs. Baker. Remember to go on Seesaw if you are able and make corrections to this note. We only have one Earth, and it's ours to share with the plants, animals, and other people. Take some time to talk with your family about how you have taken care of the Earth, and what can you do to care for the Earth today. Also, look at the picture. Why are the Earth and the other characters smiling in this picture? On Monday, we focused on making bar graphs, and today we are going to focus on reading bar graphs. So if you find the stapled pages that start with page 541, that is where we will begin today. Now you are going to be counting how many people say their favorite gym activity is running, jumping jacks, and push-ups. So I want you to go through and count the pink, green, and orange squares now. All right, so I did that, and I found that one person said running was their favorite, 6 people said jumping jacks were their favorite, and 4 people said that push-ups were their favorite. Now the second question asks how many people were surveyed in all. So you are going to add the 3 numbers from the top to find how many people were surveyed in all. If you remember the strategy we talked about before, you can add the first 2 numbers and then take the sum of that addition sentence to add it to the third number. On the next page, it talks about how bars in a bar graph tell how many. So you are going to look at where each bar ends to find out how many. So the graph here shows favorite days of the week. If you look at Friday, the pink bar, and go all the way to the end of that pink bar with your finger, and then move your finger down to where the numbers are below the graph, that tells you how many people chose Friday. The answer is 3. I want you to practice doing that for Saturday and Sunday as well. Now you are going to use that same graph to answer a few questions. I will read the questions for you. Number 1. How many people chose Sunday? Number 2, how many people chose Friday and Saturday? So you are going to have to add those numbers together to find the sum. Number 3, which day has one less vote than Friday? Take a look at the graph and use it to help you answer that question. Number 4, which day has 2 more votes than Friday? So you're comparing 2 numbers again. And number 5 says how many people were surveyed. We have been finding the total number a lot lately, first graders, so I hope that you have found a strategy that works with you. I've put an addition sentence up above that includes 3 numbers to find the sum. Or you could add the first 2 numbers to find that sum and then add it to the third number. Whatever strategy works for you, you may use. On the next page, we are going to be answering questions again, only this time we are going to use the graph that shows favorite sandwiches. The choices are peanut butter, and that's the yellow bar, turkey, shown by the orange bar, and ham, shown by the green bar. Number 6 asks how many people chose turkey. So find that orange bar, go to the top of it, and go to the left until you find the number. Number 7 asks, how many more people chose peanut butter than turkey? So you can see both of the sandwiches have the first box filled, and the second box filled, and the third box filled. Beyond that, there are no more votes for turkey. So you are going to count on from that third box on the peanut butter bar to find the answer. Number 8 asks, did more people choose ham or turkey? You don't even have to look at specific numbers here, first graders. You can just look at the size of the bars to determine which one more people chose. Number 9, which kind of sandwich is liked better than ham? So you are looking for the bar on the graph that has more votes than the ham. Number 10, did fewer people choose peanut butter or turkey? You're really having to use your vocabulary knowledge here, friends, to think about what more means and what fewer means. This question is asking, did fewer people choose peanut butter or turkey? Number 11 asks, how many people were surveyed? So we're looking for the total number here, friends. You can either use the addition sentence that I have up on the paper in pink, or you can use a different strategy. You could even count all of the boxes that are colored in to find out how many people were surveyed. All right, on the back side of the packet, you are going to use this graph at the top to answer number 12. It asks, a class made a bar graph about what color pencils they use. Which pencil color got less votes than green? Think about what less means and write your answer on the line. Number 13 asks, which kind of cacti has more votes than hedgehog? How do you know? First graders, I want you to write about how you can tell just by looking at the graph which kind of cacti has more votes than hedgehog.